Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you today. As you can see here, it's from House Party Distro, which also might be a shell company for somebody else that I know. As you can see here, it's a sweatshirt from Sike run by Haley Lujan, otherwise known as the PSYOP girl that you always see on Instagram. As you can see here, it looks like she's running an ops core with some PVS 31s, and it looks like a Polaroid picture. Yeah, definitely a Polaroid. First impressions, material feels super soft, and she has her own logo in here, obviously size medium. And interesting thing, the brand is cut off here, so whoever produced it, their labels got cut off. Don't know if that's a PSYOP or not. Is she even real? Not sure. Oh, actually, right here you can see the brand is from Champion. So awesome, super excited. Wonder if I'll ever meet up with her in person. Don't know, because apparently she's a PSYOP. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. This is not a PSYOP.